Friends, welcome back to my online lecture. Our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalay Nehru Nagar Kurla. Today is Monday. Today's date is 11th October 2021. Standard 4th. Subject EVS 1. And today's topic is air. Lesson number 9. Air exercise. So first one question. Fill in the blanks. Correct. There is dot dot even in an empty container. Which is correct answer? Correct. There is air even in an empty container. There is air even in an empty container. Now second one. The air at a greater height from the earth is dot dot than the air nearer to the earth. Correct. The air at a greater height from the earth is rarer than the air nearer to the earth. Third one. If all air divided into 5 parts, the oxygen in the air would equal dot dot part. Correct. How many part? 5. This is our air circle. Then there are 5 equal parts. We divide into 5 equal parts. In these parts, one of them is color. This is color portion called oxygen. How many? There are 21% oxygen. Means we divide into 5 equal parts. In these 5 parts, one of them oxygen. So it's called 1/5. What is called? 1 upon 5 means 1/5. We divide into all air divide into 5 equal parts. In these 5 equal parts, one of them is oxygen. It's called 1 upon 5 means 1/5. If all the air divided into 5 parts, the oxygen in the air would equal 1 part. 1 part means 1 upon 5 part. The layers of air nearer the earth bear dot dot weight than the upper layers more. The layers of air nearer the earth bear more weight than the upper layers. There is air till a height of about dot dot kilometer from the earth. How many kilometer? 50. Correct. There is air till a height of about 50 kilometers from the earth. Sixth one. Oxygen from air is used for dot dot and burning, breathing and burning. Breathing means श्वसन करणे, श्वासनासाठी. Oxygen from air is used for breathing and burning म्हणजे जळणासाठी. Plants use dot dot gas while preparing their food. Which gas use? Carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide gas while preparing their food. वनस्पती आपले अन्न तयार करण्यासाठी कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचा वापर करतात. Burning that takes place in factories give out smoke. Burning that takes place in factories gives out smoke. The largest part of air is made of a gas called nitrogen. What is called? Nitrogen. We must not burn the wood from the environment. Environment. What is called? Environment. Dot dot is lighter than water. Air is lighter than water. Write the answer in one sentence. What is an atmosphere? There is air around of the earth. This covering of air is called the atmosphere. Once again, there is air around of the earth. This covering of air is called the atmosphere. Name of the constituent of air that helps in burning. Which constituent means a part of air help the burning? Correct. Oxygen of the constituent of air that helps in burning. Which gas is present in soda water? Correct. Carbon dioxide gas is present in soda water. Tell. Shape of the earth like a ball. Layers of the earth. Atmosphere. Once again, shape of the earth like a ball. Layers of the earth. Atmosphere. Plants on the earth. Prepared food. Fuels on the earth. Burning cause smoke. Air on the earth contains water vapor. Think and tell. Name some things of everyday use in which air is filled under pressure. Football, bicycle tube, air cushion, air pillow, car tires. Once again read it. Football, bicycle tube, air cushion, air pillow and car tires. Look at this syringe. Before drawing a medicine into the syringe, why is the plunger first pressed to the bottom of the barrel? Plunger. What is called? Plunger. 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 What is called? Plunger. Before drawing medicine into the syringe on the plunger, first press to the bottom of barrel. Before drawing medicine into the syringe, the plunger first press to the bottom of barrel to ensure that there is no air or any other substances in the barrel. Once again read this. Before drawing medicine into the syringe, the plunger first press to the bottom of barrel to ensure that there is no air or any other substances in the barrel. This word plunger, Plunger, plunger. What is it? Plunger. It means when we press the plunger down, all the air inside the syringe is pushed out. Now there is no air inside in the barrel, so medicine rises inside the syringe. तुम्ही डॉक्टरकडे गेल्यानंतर बाळांनो, डॉक्टर काय करतो? ते सिरिंज काय करतो? प्लंगर प्रेस करतो आणि ते प्रेस केल्यामुळे काय होतं? त्या सिरिंज आतमध्ये जी हवा असते ती काय होते? सुईद्वारा बाहेर जाते आणि नंतर मग त्याला आपोआप मेडिसिन आतमध्ये सुईद्वारा घ्यायला शक्य होतं. मेडिसिन रायजेस इनसाइड द सिरिंज. व्हॉट इज सीन मिक्सिंग with the air when wood or coal burns? When wood or coal burns, smoke is seen mixing with the air. आपण लाकूड किंवा कोळसा जळल्यानंतर त्या हवेमध्ये काय मिसळतो? स्मोक म्हणजे धूर. What gets mixed with the air when water boils? तुमची मम्मी पाणी उकळते तेव्हा काय होतं? What gets mixed with the air when water boils? Water vapor gets mixed with the air water boils. Thanks for watching.